Hello friends, welcome to freeproject.com, and this is my new project movie ticket booking system. And I have developed this project in Java JSP, and the backend I have used is MySQL. And you can run this project on Tomcat 7 or 8 server. You can easily configure this project on NetBeans or the Eclipse. So it's very simple coding I have used to develop this project, so you can easily understand the code and the basic of the JSP and the Java. So this is a very basic project, and we can say that this is a mini project, and the title of the project is movie ticket booking system. As you can see, this is the web application. So it's very basic HTML template. It's a small bootstrap template, but it's not fully responsive HTML template, right? So the front end design has been developed using the JavaScript, HTML5, CSS. Okay, and I have used many of the jQuery library for developing this project, such as for validating the form, I have used the jQuery validations. And for menu, you can see there is a menu and there is a drop down menu inside it. I have used the third party jQuery library for creating the menus. Okay, so let's start the functionality of the project. So this is the home page of the project where you will be able to see the list of the movies. So there are the list of the movies, and you can also search it from here that for which movie you are going to book the ticket, and select date, and then the show time and the number of seats what which you want. And just once you click on the book now, then you will be able to get the details here. And once you click on the make payment, then you will be able to see that payment gateway. This is the sample payment gateway. No real transaction will be done through your credit card. This is a sample payment gateway which I have used, right? So let's start with the functionality one by one. So this is the home page, and this is the list of movie. All the movies are coming from the database directly. Okay, so you can edit, update, delete movie directly in the database. I have not provided any of the admin panel for this project because this is a mini project, and this is the only customer based project. Means customer will be able to book the movies. There is no admin in that. This is a single user role project. Okay, so this is the home page, and this is the about us page. So you can change the content of this page from replacing the content directly in the HTML file. This is the all movie page where you will be able to see the list of all movies. And then book ticket. So you can only book the ticket after successfully log in. So if you are not logging into the system, then you will not be able to book the ticket. Then this is the registration where customer will be able to register, and this is the login again and the contact us page. Okay, so I am going to book a ticket for now, and for booking the ticket I am going to log into the system. Okay, so this is the customer dashboard where customer will be able to see all the movies, book ticket, my bookings, and my account. Okay, this is the all movie page which I have showed you earlier, and this is the book tickets where customer will be able to select the movies and the date and the shows and this one. And then this is the my bookings where customer will be able to see all of his past bookings, right? And then my account section where customer will be able to update his account information. And then there is a contact us page and the logout page. Once customer log out, then all the session will be destroyed. Okay, so let's go, and I am going to book a movie. Okay, this is the all movie page, and I am going to buy a ticket for this page. So this is the details of the movie, and you can change the details of this movie from the backend, right? From updating the data and tackling to the database. And once you click on the book now, then you will select the movie and the date, and then the number so, right, and number of seats, right? Once you click on the book ticket, and you will get the price, and then the order to review the order and make payment. So I am entering some data here, and then expiry month, CVV number. Okay, and you will not be able to update this field because this is the read only. And just click on the make payment. So once you click on the make payment, you will be able to see the ticket. And this is the barcode which I have implemented uh, for the ticket. and you can also take the printout of this ticket. Once you click on the print button, then a pop-up will be shown, and from where you will get the printout of this ticket. Okay, so this is the functionality of the project. And as I said you earlier, this is a very basic mini project. And from this project you will be able to learn that how can we connect the database from the Java, and how can we communicate the Java with the JSP directly. Okay, and for structure explanation, I have a separate video for this project. You can see it also on my website. And don't forget to subscribe our channel freeprojects.com. Thank you very much.